So now we're going to try to figure out what kind of test statistic might help us compare 3 or more means. So what are we looking for in a test statistic? What should our test statistic reflect about the data? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a series of pictures. Let's just label them. We can label them A and B and C. And if we want to make up a little example here, we could say that, let's see, maybe what we're interested in is first years, sophomores, juniors, and seniors. And I don't know, maybe it's the number of extracurricular activities they participate in. Something like that, right? First year, sophomore, junior, and senior. And so I'm going to draw 3 different possible data sets. And what we're going to do is contemplate which of these possible hypothetical data sets suggests that the mean number of extracurricular activities might differ between class years, and which of these potential data sets, imaginary data sets, suggest that actually maybe the mean number of extracurricular activities does not differ between class years. So let's see, and this is of course fake data, so I'm just kind of sketching it. So suppose the means, in terms of, say again, what you did is you asked a bunch of students from each class how many extracurricular activities they're involved in. And so I have a sample of students from each class. So what I've just drawn are the means, right? So whatever this number is up here, that's the mean number of activities a first year is involved in. Okay, and now I'm going to draw some dots around. This is just the means, but maybe the actual data points look like this. So for the first years I interviewed, you know, those dots represent the number of activities they said they were involved in. For the sophomores I interviewed, those are the dots. For the juniors, those are the dots. For the seniors, those are the dots. Suppose that's true. Okay. All right, so that's one hypothetical example. That could be the data. Now I'm going to draw another possible data set. And I'm going to try to draw the means in the same places. I'm not going to do perfectly, but when your notes, you should try to do that too. I'm trying to draw, so the means are actually the same as this other hypothetical data set. But I'm going to draw the data points differently. Suppose that the data points are actually very close to the means in each group. Okay. All right, so that's one possibility. But now that's 2 possibilities so far. Now I'm going to draw another possible data set. And in this one, we're assuming all 3 of these graphics are on the same scale, whatever that is. Okay. The means are going to be different in this plot than they were in the previous 2 plots. So I've changed the means now. Okay. And here are the points around those means. Okay. So my question for you is, which of these plots suggests to you that the truth is that the population means are different in the 4 groups, and which of these plots suggests that maybe the data is consistent with the population means being the same in 2 groups, in the 4 groups? And in particular, I want you to compare A to B. So if you compare A versus B, which of these is stronger evidence? Which of these 2 graphics provide stronger evidence against the null hypothesis that all 4 populations have the same mean? And then I want you to compare B to C. So A to B and B to C.